What is programming logic?
Let's picture this scenario. John needs to cross a busy street. So he looks both ways, and even with cars in sight, he figures out that it's doable to cross. In this simple act of crossing a road, John's brain applied logical thinking, knowledge of physics, mathematics, and his life experience to decide if it was possible to cross. In just a few seconds, we can say that John did the following. He checked the left side of the road. He spotted a car. He estimated the car's speed. He estimated the distance between the car and himself. He calculated the speed John needs to reach to cross the road without any issues, and based on this information, he determined whether the crossing is feasible. In computing, it's similar to this kind of thinking, but the computer doesn't have a brain. To make the computer do something, we need to provide it with instructions.
Programming logic is simply a logical sequence of organized instructions aimed at solving a problem or creating computer software.
Did you like the video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, so you'll be notified whenever a new video drops on the channel.